apparently I covered this vent and this is absolutely soaking, which was obviously there. First, I don't even know why I covered it, but I'm guessing that's where the waters came through. I don't know whether it's condensation or not, but I'm going to try it out and see if that helps. So my main priority was to dry the carpet and replace the silver insulation. What I'm doing now is I'm just making sure all the foil's round the vent and just placing the carpet back down again now that it's completely dried. Underneath was just soaking, so I need to do something with the wood. And this was what I saw when I took that piece of wood off. Thankfully it was only contained to that one small part, so I managed to get away with it. So water had been getting in, which is why I cut that piece there, and I thought it was maybe something to do with that vent there. But I've came in the van today and as you can see it's been raining outside, and right there there was just a massive puddle. So I've had to strip the ceiling back and then found this. So basically I've drilled a nail, or a screw rather, and it's been right through the outer skin of the van, poking through the roof. So I think that's where the leak has been coming in. And judging by the bit of rust, I'd say so as well. So I've had to strip the entire roof just to get at this one wee bit. So just be careful where you're screwing in, guys. So that's the screw and that's the size of the hole. That's basically the outside you're looking at. We've got all the rust. So I need to treat that and hopefully that should be it now. So with the original way that I did the ceiling, where I was just putting the panels up and screwing them into the sides of the van, now you can see how thin I was actually aiming for. I missed it altogether and the screw was just catching on the side of it. So it just shows how little room I had to work with. Here I'm just drying the area before I do any work to it. And now I'm adding some primer just to treat the rust and the hole as well. So to fill the hole, I just used what I had, and I think it was sicaflex, and I applied 3 coats to it. I could have got the same epoxy resin that I used on the floor and stuff, but say to be honest, this water issue was an issue for maybe a good few weeks, and I couldn't for the life of me figure out where it was coming from. I'll use this still just to show where the water flow was going. Water was coming in through the screw, which was then going down the right hand side because of the slant of the driveway. It was going down the pillar and all the way down to the vent, which was pulling a lot of water there. So I managed to catch it before it really done a lot of damage, and I was lucky that under the floor wasn't all mouldy in that as well. As far as the repairs go, everything's been fine so far. There's been no mould, there's been nothing, so I think I caught it early.